The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is not just a robot vacuum, it's a full-service cleaning system designed to take almost all the hassle out of keeping your home spotless. Its all-in-one dock does the heavy lifting by automatically emptying dust, washing mops with hot water, drying them, and even dispensing detergent. It refills itself, charges quickly, and only re-washes and re-mops when dirt is detected, meaning your floors stay consistently fresh without you lifting a finger. For current pricing and availability, you can check the link in the description. With an impressive 10,000 PA suction power, it dives deep into carpets and hard floors, picking up dust and debris with ease. The dual roller design minimizes hair tangles, while scrapers work to remove strands automatically. Thanks to the FlexiArm side brush and liftable extra edge mop, the S8 MaxV Ultra gets right into corners and edges, cleaning with precision down to less than 1.7 millimeters. Its Vibrorise 3.0 sonic mopping system scrubs stubborn stains at 4,000 vibrations per minute and cleverly lifts when carpets are detected, ensuring you never have soggy rugs. On top of that, Reactive AI 2.0 with PressaSense LiDAR navigation identifies obstacles, maps your home in real time, and avoids over 70 objects, while the built-in Hello Rocky Assistant and pet-friendly video features make cleaning smarter and even more fun.